All right, I'll go ahead and start the live trade. So I am bullish on the day, but we just got this 5 minute SMT up here, as you can see. The S&P did not take out those 5 minute highs, but Nasdaq did. So I'm thinking that that could cause this to be a potential 1 hour sweep. We got good reason to head down to these equal lows and at bare minimum, like come back down to this support zone, I guess you can say. Um, so that's one thing I would like to see and possibly take a short down to that area. I would like to see a 5 minute break of structure right here if that we were to go short. And also Nasdaq has these 15-minute lows that would be real nice if it got hit. And we haven't even had a 1 hour break of structure to the upside yet on Nasdaq. So if we were to start heading lower at market open, it probably will be a Nasdaq entry. And yeah, we'll see what we can get going. Um, it's gonna be lower risk because yeah, look at that. I'll update y'all. So here's a little update on this. We had a SMT fat down to the downside. So right here is a, which I didn't mark out, 1 minute order block right here. And then we had a 1 minute CISD right here, which is the last move up that caused the move down. And that right there is a breaker block slash CISD, whatever you want to call it. So now it would be really nice if we could get another closure below these bodies right here. That would be very nice. That way we could use this as a breaker block and then we can see what happens from there. I'm just targeting these 15-minute lows because I really would rather go long today. But with this um, 1 hour right here, it looks like it could be a 1 hour sweep. Then you got an S&T on the 5 minute. So to me, it just seems like we could possibly head lower before heading higher. So why not take a short, low risk, and then see what happens. So that's exactly what I did, and yeah, we'll see what happens that comes from this. I would rather not get stopped out, but that's always a possibility. And then right here, we also have a little 5 minute order block as well. We could see what the S&P is doing right now. We could get some choppy price action type of shit going on. Um, but yeah, S&P is reacting off of here right now, so it looks pretty good. Seems like we might be targeting these 15-minute equal lows as well. So yeah, everything's looking good. Nasdaq seems to be moving lower, thank God. And yeah, so we'll just see what happens from here. And yeah. Oh, so we'll move TP down to here actually. Modify. And we will definitely be taking profits once we get down to right here. So yeah, update y'all. Okay, so this is what we got going on right now. Um, right as of right now, it looks like we're having a 1 hour sweep. We had a SMT at these highs right here, and we got these equal lows that we seem to be targeting. So Nasdaq have already took out its 15-minute low. So now we have what you would want to consider an SMT down here, just like this. Boom, and boom, boom. We could delete this. We can write SMT right there. Go to the S&P, as you can see. Boom, boom. SMT. I'll go ahead and, yeah. Because you can see right here, these are the 15-minute lows for 8:15, and this is a 15-minute candle for 9:45. And we could go right here, 8:15, 9:45. So if we do get a closure above both of these lows, we could start seeing some movement to the upside from here. Um, yeah. So from here, we'll see what we can start getting active on. We got a little SMT. I would have rather had these equal lows get taken out, but we'll see. Also, one more thing I would just like to say because I'm kind of pressed. I thought I took this account on took this trade on my live account, but I took it on my demo, which is much larger. So now I only made what I think like 0.5% on the demo, whenever I should have made a whole 1% on my live account, and sadly I did not get to do so. So yeah. Okay, so here's another trade. This one was a lot riskier. So we got this 15-minute order block and then this SMT right here. As you can see, these are the same lows on the S&P and we did not tap into them. And we are playing around in the 1 hour fair value gap on the S&P right now. And then we could come over here to NASDAQ and we can see that we got, after this SMT on the 15-minute, swept these 15-minute lows, closed above it, closed above this 15-minute order block, showing that it is respecting bullish confluences. And then you could go to the 5-minute and you can see that right here we had a 5-minute break of structure. Okay, so then after that went down to the 1-minute and I can see right here that there's a 1-minute CISD or unicorn model that you can say. Put my stops at the lows of the S&T, and what I really want to see is a closure above these bodies right here. That would give me some confidence that this trade could go up. There's a potential 5-minute CISD right here that I was thinking about entering on. If we got a closure above here, like say we get a closure above this 15-minute BOS, this 5-minute CISD would be good to enter on. But you got to be taking your profits diligently on this trade, because yeah, higher time frame wise, I'm thinking that we could go up here, but it's very possible that we continue to go lower for the day. So I'm well aware that this trade could be an L. I mean, just look at it. Looks like it's about to go straight to the stop loss right now. But if that is the case, then there should be another trade setup that forms at some point today. I barely risked anything on this trade. I mean, it sucks to have a loss anyways. I had a dub on my 100K today, and I would like to have, another dub, but it is what it is. We'll see what happens.